Hello. This is for tuning the security related parameters as reported by websiteswatch.com. So, normally, our experience is, especially when you are using WordPress and either reseller or shared hosting, then what happens is that you have got a little bit less control on certain parameters. So, like for example, for this creative fair ID.in site, like our rating is A in websiteswatch.com, so that is very good. But that is primarily happening because we made sure that we follow the exact steps as expected by websiteswatch.com. That we set the phrase properly, and then we build everything around that phrase. So if you go to manage phrases, then you will see that we have made sure that everywhere you see yes for all the different checklists in that. But there is one section that is very tricky for WordPress sites on a shared type of a hosting, where the hosting company cannot help you more than a certain level. So this website server security parameters, so there are many parameters here. I will show you how you can get good score and follow the security standards by ensuring that for a WordPress website on a shared hosting also you get positive marks for this. Unlike these two above, where I could not set it yet, I'll follow up with another video for those two parameters. But for these five parameters, you got plus 10 marks instead of minus 20, because here you get minus 2 for every the recommendation that you could not follow, right? And that takes your score up, and then of course your grade, you can jump into A grade. So let's go step by step exactly how this is done. So the first thing is that you need to install http headers plugin, very nice plugin, like in your WordPress using the admin panel. And then after that we'll go slowly how each and every setting is like taken care of in http header. So I'm hoping that and expecting that you know how to install a plugin. I will also give the link of this in the YouTube description for this video. But the next part now is that you need to make sure that after you install the http headers plugin, you click on the settings. So I'm expecting that you know how to go to the setting of any plugin. After that, you'll see that there are five different settings here, and certain things I wanted to do, as I told you, right? I wanted to do, like for example, this content security policy, but could not get it to working. So I will do that in the next video. So I'll slowly go through this. So by default, right, this will be all off. So let's start with X-frame options. Turn it on. Like how do you do it? You go to edit, and also make sure that once you turn it on, you make sure that you choose same origin from here. So I'm going to walk through slowly, so you can either take notes, or you can like pause this video, do this like in your WP admin, and then move to the next step. Okay, then X-Xss-Protection, again edit, on, and mode equal to block. Third, content type options, on, and then this one is no sniff. I'll take a little bit of pause, few seconds, while you make changes, or just do a pause. After that is transport security, edit, on, and make sure you choose delete entire HSTS policy. Back, and then jump to cookie security, edit, on, and then here, like I have chosen these two. Somehow when I chose the third one, some of my plugins like stopped working. So this is very particular of WordPress and those plugins. So but for now these two are good enough. So all others I left it to off. Only these five, like I turned them on, and thanks to that setting, immediately like I got positive marks for these five settings in between. Okay, thank you very much. I hope it helps. Bye.